Hi team, this is a short video on Snowflake, and the subject is Python and Snowflake DAG tasks. So user-defined tasks enable scheduled execution of SQL code, including call to stored procedure. A DAG is abbreviation of a direct acyclic graph, which is a series of tasks composed of single root task and additional childs. The focus today is Snowflake Python API that represents the tasks with two separate types. The task itself exposes a task property and the task resource, which exposes the methods that you can use to fetch corresponding task object. The link here for this API for the official Snowflake documentation is here. The use case of today is very simple. So we have Python.env and Snowflake core package and libraries are installed. We need to create a root task with two child tasks. Each one, it will insert, do a call to a stored procedure and insert a dummy line with the timestamp, each one for T01 and T02. We deploy the DAG and we will see the result. So let's go to the Python code. Here I'm using Snow Visual Studio. So we start by importing all the required packages and library. Then we connect to Snowflake. I'm using JSON credential here. Then we have the call to API root to define the DAG using the context of the database of the schema. Here we have the definition of each stored procedure. The first one will insert a dummy line in T01, and the second one will insert a dummy line with tests to string and the current timestamp. Once finished, we will here define the DAG name and we define the structure of the DAG. Here we have the DAG task 1 and DAG task 2, and it is important here that task 1 is predecessor of task 2 with this notation. Then we will deploy the DAG in Snowflake, and we will display the name here at the end. So let's run the program. So here on the Snowflake side, so here we have show tasks. We have 3 tasks deployed schema. So Object Explorer, dash, and we see that we have the required database. We have this the root task. You can see here with the graph that the root call the task 1 and the cost 1 is the predecessor of task 2. Here we have the run history. You can see the function. So it is scheduled. The same for the child tasks also. And here we see the definition of the deployment. You can see here when we deploy, we use API stage with the required files. Here we have the definition, the call to the stored feature. We can also monitor the tasks with the activity and task history here. See task, for example. So let's see. So the content of the tables. So here we have tier 1, which I truncate. See that we have they have 2 rows, and for T02 If we will wait another minute, find 3 lines after the next schedule. So this is a nice feature in Snowpark API. Just create an end-to-end pipeline from the extraction to the consumption, and we do the schedule inside Snowpark to create the tasks with this easy manner. And would be we see here it is another line is inserted because the task is scheduled each 1 minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and see you in another video. Have a nice day.